just another day in Poland, right? So today my plan is we will watch what's Damian's update so far. It's super excited, I think, for him because last night he called me, until the midnight, and in the morning, I think at 1, something like that. He's super excited with the project actually in London.
This is the one of the projects what we made actually recently. Just the final touch-ups. That's how does it look like. Actually, serious thing. It's actually pretty nice. Overall, that's how does it look like on the exhibition stands. Looks like this one, but we are already finished and everybody making just the pictures. Everybody are so proud of this, of course. Hard work and the nice design. Proper teamwork. It's something to be proud of. And then we have another big project almost completed here. Still tracks ongoing and finishing there. Gonna get inside and show you a little bit how's the things looking for the project for the Saudi Arabia. So it's a very serious thing actually. That will be the main lobby, something like this one. A lot of cool stuff actually, gonna tell you. Very proud from the things like this one. That's the rooms, VIP rooms. Everything is made like this one. So cool. This one, very cool. Very good quality. Everywhere there are nice carpets. Outside, the nice view of the situation. Actually, of the airport, because that's the air show, obviously, as you can see. Very nice spot. Umbrellas, everything is going from there. You can see actually the planes in the previous shot. Actually, there is private jet. Somebody landed. They're just pulling over. So very good, pretty nice thing. Screens. Lounge area, another balconies, some kitchen equipment, another conference room, actually very cool. And then even completed with the proper bathrooms here. So everything made very cool. Very cool indeed. So once again, little bit of memories today, but yeah, so this is how it is. I will enjoy. Actually decided to eat in the chopsticks, some noodles with the meats and everything. Let's see what we can get here actually. And this is the food court, still the same place. For another one day, I guess. No Burger King today. And actually that's the price, is 2 box with 4 toppings. It's about 10 quid actually. So it's about 50 zloty. Well, it's UK. Everything is a little bit more expensive. The food looks okay. That's my food for 10 quid. I bought the Coke for 150, so 11.50. Curry chicken, sweet and sour, teriyaki beef, and the noodles, of course, like this. Okay, very nice actually. Very nice, good taste. I used to eat this actually a long time before I met Winnie.
So now it's about 31 degree currently in Poznan, Poland. It's summer and hot. And what my plan today is we will go to the Park Sołecki having picnic, because I bring my picnic bag here, blanket. So we will have lunch there. Look at the kiwi in the ice cream shop. Nice. Let's go there walking. Actually, this is the traffic situation next to apartment. It's totally different vibe, right? It's very peaceful. People walk, riding bicycle, no traffic jam. So that's the Park Sawatchki. Let's go. Right, so I decided to go to the Park Sawatchki to have a picnic, lunch picnic here by the small lake. And because it's very hot, I just prefer don't go too far, and I prefer to have a like peaceful picnic. It's just having my me time. Montenegro, I've got my pasta carbonara and cucumber. It's very nice, to enjoy time under the trees. Summer, I feel like I just want to sit in the place that I can feel peaceful, and still surrounded by family. One thing that I see here that's surprising me is that the dads, policemen and dads who looking after the children. Meanwhile, back again, my life in Bali, mostly, Balinese men, if they have a free time, they will go for a cockfights or gambling. I just remember like my past when I was a small child. I know Mama and Papa, you watch me. My dad used to like gambling, when he has a free time. And I mostly grow up with my mom. So when people asking me like, what do you miss a lot about Bali life? I just miss my family. If I compare with my life when I used to live in Bali, in every month I always got sick. Flu, cough, and then diarrhea. And then whenever I used to work in the one foundation or company that I travel around Indonesia. Whenever I come back from traveling around Indonesia, I always get sick, like typhoid, dengue, very, very sick badly, especially regarding to the hygiene things. And one thing that I really, really grateful here is that, yes, in terms of the healthcare, in terms of my healthy, mentally healthy, and also physically healthier here, and I'm so happy with that. So yes, my husband has to work hard, and we also have to work hard here, right? Yes, of course. And no pain, no gain. Just like yesterday when I talked to my friends, and they also complain about the inflation in Poland. And what I see is that I think that after pandemic, like inflation is just worldwide. But the thing is that when you earn something and then you still can saving, and then you still have a better life quality, that's good. I have a chance, if I have a better option in my life to live a better life, I choose this option. What I see is that the previous last year, Damian and I, like we were fighting a lot, especially on the street, regarding to the traffic jam, driving with the drunk tourists, like when we ride a motorbike, we pass a empty land with a burned plastic, burned rubbish. It's really toxic. And again, we thinking like life is not just like chasing the sun, but it's more into how we make it really in a better way. So how we are now here. My life is simple actually. Sitting here next to the waterfall, on the grass, and listening the sound of the nature. It makes me happy and calm. I think now I would like to have a coffee. It's very nice coffee shop. Nice. Cheers, hot cappuccino with the apple tree garden like this. Nice. Look at this beautiful restaurant. I think this is complex of the old building. You see like the wooden on the top, and this one. So cute. And that's the garden. So actually I'm going to the Posnania Mall now. It's hot outside and then I just arrived home, and because of our flat doesn't have an aircon, I feel like, oh my god, I need to go to the place where the aircon is on. So it means we should go to the mall. So now I am in Posnania Mall. Let's go inside. This is actually the Posnania Mall. You see, many children is there because it's too hot. And I am the one who really need to have an aircon inside. Let's go. Oh, so hot. Okay, it's mall again. Yes, mall is the best place to cool off yourself from the heat, and also sightseeing, shopping. Yay, I bought my coconut milk. This one produce by Indonesian. So I'm gonna cook something with this coconut milk. So I found my chili here. This is the vegetable section basically. I just look at this papaya. It cost me about 28 sote. And this one, the aloes. And the coconut from Thailand actually. And the curcuma. This one is very exotic. That's why expensive. Once I was asked my husband to buy this kind of the rattan bag. The price is 48 sote. So this is basically how people are here in the mall, gathering to cool off outside. So hot. I think that's all my video today, guys. It's dinner time and it's time to go home and cook. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow, because Sunday the mall is closed. That's why I coming here today. Bye.